Hello everyone, my name is Leon as usual. In grade 3, I studied at the primary school. I live in one of my province. Now I'm going to talk about Unit 15. It's maggot. Yes, now we're going to talk about maggots. Yes, now we're going to talk about that. And now we're going to talk about the maggots and do you know what is the maggot it is? And if you know, now we learn about the thing that maggot can attract and the thing that and the parts of the maggot. And now we're going to learn about maggots. Yes. And now we're going to talk about now it is the end of the lesson, the final lessons and this. And now look at this, you can see this is the many types of maggots, and this can have the thing that maggots can attract. And what is attract? What is attract? Now we go to the vocabulary, we can learn about what is attract. Now go into the beginner one. Maggot. Yes, maggot. A maggot is a piece of metal that attracts iron or steels. Yes. Yes. And this is a piece of metal. Yes. Yes, magnet is a metal. Yes. Magnet is made by metals, and that attacks irons or steels. Yes, it's interesting that it is the thing that can attract iron or steels. So this magnet, and this is a metal. Yes, magnet is a piece of metal. It is made by metals, and this can attack. Yes, it can attack irons or steels. Yes, and look at this, you can see it. We can see attacks. We can see maggots. It is have an S and N. Yes, it is about the sulfur and it is no food. And look like this. The earth is look like the sulfur and salt sulfur too. Do you have this is interesting? Earth can have now. Earth is have sulfur and sulfur and sulfur. So it's a maggot. And maggot is not just this. Don't have a one shape. Yes, maggot can have some shape. Maggot is have two three shape. Maggots in Vietnam is have the usually commonly circle shape. And in American maggot is have a long shape like this and have this shape look like an N or U like this. So maggots is have many shapes. And now go to beginner 2 is pool. What is the pool? The pool is one of the two ends of a maggot. Yes, this is the one of the ends of the maggot. And this is an end of the magnet. S and N is about sulfur and sulfur. The earth is sulfur and sulfur too. Look like I said, and to sulfur and sulfur in the earth. It's about the name of the big places that are very cool. So and pool. And this is the pole. So pole is about this. And it is interesting that if you put the S and the pull is attract. And why is about S and N is about can have the attract to attract the iron and steels, because look like us too. Us can be have the force. Yes, have the force to have the thing like this. If a jumping, I do not fly in the sky, but I hop into the ground again. So this is the attract of the earth. It is mean about in the lesson number 14 we talk about this the force. So this look like a magnet. If the earth a magnet, it's about the attract the thing in the ground. Do not have the thing go into the other things. So it look like a magnet. And now we go to talk about the number 3. It's attract. What is the attract? I talk about many of the attract. It's about to pull toward. Yes, it is about to pull toward, right? And so this attract. Like attract is mean to pull toward. If you have an S and no, S and no is they are habit into this. S do not want to attract no, but no want to attract S. So attract in this. So it's an attract. It's a pull toward. Yes. And now go to the repel. Repel is very opposite of attract. They have S and S. S do not like to attract S, but S is do not like to. But S and S is about the thing that they are alike. Yes, I talk about some fields. But to S is like to attract, like to have it look like to S and N, but they are two things like attract too. So if we have it S in the left is attract the S, but S and D is like to attract too. So they cannot attract because it's about to pass away. They want to be attracted, but if two things attract, they have a dead energy in these places, so they just to push away. This energy is very strong, so they push to things away. So it's a repair. You cannot not have S and S go into the one thing like this. Cannot, because this energy, if it is near is very strong, and near is stronger and stronger. So you cannot have these two things to put on this. So this repel. Now I go to talk about iron. What is the irons? And the iron is a metal. Yes, it is a metal that is used to make. Yes, and this is the metal that is used to make many things. Right? We talk about iron. Iron is this. Look like a magnet. Magnet is made by metal. But iron is made by it's a metal. Yes, a metal. So, and this look like, but that is used to make many things. Many things, right? It's used to make many things in your house. I cannot talk this because it's too many. So look like the water robot water in the house is made by iron too. And why is iron and magnets is attacked? Because in the iron this look like S and N. Iron is about the N. And this is half direction in lesson is about habits into the magnet. So iron is about one to attract the magnet. So they are so magnet is so the iron is running flying to the magnet. So this why the magnet is can attract these irons or steels. And so this is steels. Now we go to talk about steels. Like this irons or steel. Like I talk about magnets, we talk about steel too. And this is a kind of the metal that is strong and has iron in it. Yes, this has iron in it. Because steel have iron too, but iron in this have the direction that is running like flying running into the magnet. If the magnet near the iron, so the steel is flying in the sky in the magnet too. So is the steel. Now we go to learn about all of this very short. Right, it's just 11 minutes. And now if you remember all of these things, and so if you remember, then I thank you. And now thank you for your listening. Goodbye. Now it's rainy, so I have a short video.